Eddie Kane. Listen to music. Don't want to never. So loud. Turn me up. Woo! Same. Yeah. 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 Hey. Big boy Pedic gonna get it. Hey, bro. Hey, bro. What, fool? What do you want? Huh? My bad, dude. Dang. I'm just asking a question. What you trying to eat for breakfast? Dude, I don't know. Go eat some noodles or something, ugly little dude. Dang, I'm trying to listen to music. You out here distracting me and whatnot. Shut your soft self up. You ain't gonna whoop nothing. Who ain't gonna whoop nothing? Yeah, that's what I thought. Scary little dude. Make some breakfast or something. I'm trying to. Alright, bet. Chef PJack is in the building. Alright guys, what up? It's your boy PJack and I'm back for another episode. Now today, we're doing something different again for the umpteenth time. But this time I'm gonna make a little breakfast. I love making breakfast. I'll be making these cinnamon pancakes and eggs, you know what I'm saying? I can cook a little bit. I got a little bacon. I can do a little something. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and make this for you. So let's go to the ingredients. Alright, here we go. So you got this little bowl to put the pancake mix in. And some Miss Butterworth, you know, you just add some water and you're good. But I add a little wrinkle, you feel me? Usually I put butter, but we don't have no butter right now, so it'll be fine without it. It's butter and pancakes. But I put ground cinnamon in it. Ground cinnamon is delicious, you know what I'm saying? Get a little cinnamon taste. And you gotta put a lot. Don't put too much because then it's gonna taste disgusting. I got this I'm gonna Gualtney, but it's some good bacon right here, you know what I'm saying? It's cheap, you know what I'm saying? You buy it, boom, you're done.
That's 49 cents of spilt milk dripping all over my table. Somebody gonna drink this milk.
And then I got this little bowl of eggs. You know, I just got 3 eggs because that's how many I'm gonna eat. And you know, of course you got a skillet. So let's go ahead and get into the stirring and mixing processes. Okay, so just a little tip if you wanna save a little, you know, so you can clean while you cook. Put the bowl that you're gonna crack the eggs in, go ahead and put it in a bag. So the eggs spill over a little bit on the side of the bowl, crack it in, boom, bop, pop, split out beat. It'll be good. Now I forgot to show you guys what seasonings I put. So I put this garlic powder, delicious. This cayenne pepper, get a little spice. And sea salt. Sea salt is, I think, supposed to be healthier than normal salt. But yeah, just put that in there and give it a little flavor. And then you break your wrist off in the pot. You know what I'm talking about? Migo style, you feel me? Eat the pot, eat the pot, eat the pot. Ooh. I think it's easier to do it with a fork. I mean, it just feels better with a fork. But you can do it with a little whisk thingy. I got one, I don't want to use it. Now you just want to make sure you beat it like Michael. You know what I'm saying? So it can be all delicious and whatnot. And that part is done. I'm trying to open this box, but this just hurt. Now it's time to bust open this Miss Buttersworth buttermilk coffee. I mean, oops.
No, really, chaps, my.
Oops.
Oh no.
And so look. This is where we take it up a notch. You heard me. See the ground cinnamon? This is where it come in handy. Sprinkle a little bit in there. Boy, you want to add some water. You don't want to add too much. You don't add not enough. So go ahead. I messed up a little bit, so I had to add a little bit more Miss Buttersworth to it, so it can be thick like Amber Rose. Just a little bit more. See, now you got that nice thickness. It smells kind of like, y'all ever had the cinnamon apple oatmeal? Bro, what are you talking about, man? That junk delicious. Oh, okay, cool. And now you're ready. I'm gonna go ahead and pour a little bit more of this ground cinnamon in here. I like cinnamon, boy. Don't get it twisted now. And once you've got that mix, go ahead and put it on the skillet. I'm gonna use this extra virgin olive oil to go ahead and cook these pancakes. You can use butter, but like I said, I don't have no butter, so just use a little bit of this so it's a so it don't stick. Rush that around a little bit. Now let's pour on the pancakes.
I'm Nike, cause I'm flipping. Got the track up in my hands, like I'm a Tony Stewart, but I'm a nuisance. Call me stupid, words like that come from loose lips. Now I'm grilling these words on the track, like I'm ruthless, yeah. Whoa.
And there you go, that's the pancake. I'm gonna go ahead and cook the bacon and eggs next, so here you go.
Gotta make my mama proud till I put her in a brand new building.
Girl love me just like I'm a
Load of French beans.
And there you have it. Delicious pancake, egg, and bacon breakfast with a little bit of orange juice, just to make sure, you know what I'm saying, it goes down your system. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully I can make more videos like this. I'm gonna keep switching it up, putting different type of videos out. Make sure you're looking out for that football game vlog of the University of Memphis band. Great trip. It was in Memphis. But great trip, great time. Again, thank you guys for watching the video, and tune in, subscribe for more. Make sure you watch that last video too. Alright guys, have a good day.